Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to Kiwoon Learning, and today we'll be going over, again, just the major indices like NASDAQ, like S&P, through their ETFs like QQQ as well as SPY. Once again, we'll be going over the trading as well as like the educational mindset, kind of going through them as well. And basically, yeah, other than that, we'll be kind of just going over some news before market opens today. Um, and we may be hitting on some of the larger stocks like Tesla as well as Apple, but once again, we'll kind of just be doing that as we go. But yeah, that's kind of the plan for right now. And yeah, alrighty. So, some of the big things happening today and this morning. Sorry, 1 second. Alrighty, yeah. So, uh, sorry, just getting this other laptop set up here. Alrighty, so, some big news happening here with Google CEO. He's talking about how he hopes to make company 20% more efficient. He's talking about potential cuts here as well. A lot of it really has to go down to the broader slowdown ad spending that Google has had. Piche said that he wants to try to understand the macroeconomic basically feel, but overall they're pretty uncertain about it. The macroeconomic preference is correlated to ad spend and consumer spend and so on. If the overall economy is not doing necessarily well, there's no really reason to spend ads. People have less discretionary spending, so it really just leads to ad spending overall decrease as well. So yeah, definitely knowing about economics as well as stocks is quite important. Just knowing how the two relate to each other, um, it's rather important for sure. Sorry, just 1 second. Um, yeah, and then some other stuff that Piche was kind of saying later on had to deal with understanding and bringing it down to one or two improves efficiency by 20%. So once again, very largely hinting towards the fact that we will be getting cuts coming in here soon, which is kind of big because, generally speaking, we didn't really see Google making that many cuts leading up till now. So yeah, that's just something we kind of need to think about, especially, they may be making profit margins better, but just overall wise, just some stuff to definitely look out for in terms of, also even potentially getting jobs in the future at Google as well here. But yeah, and this, we also have Thursday, I believe, another 3/4 point hike is what the expectation is. Again, I don't think the market could take anything more than this. We have seen a very surprising acceleration just even in this past June when we reported the 75 BPS hike. So yeah, just things to think about heading into trading on or in tomorrow. Basically, trading usually happens up to the actual speech itself. Tends to be very, very volatile, right? And then when it actually happens, it will be probably the most volatile you will ever see the market intraday. So yeah, kind of just things to think about when you are trading on Thursday here. Um, sorry, today. The highlight of which remarks the Fed Governor led Brainerd at 12:40 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. Fed officials will closely monitor the remaining big points data before the FOMC meeting. And yeah, just some stuff coming in about basically just the understanding of these two 0.75 percentage point increases. So total to roughly 2.25 percentage points in just this year alone, which is very, very large in terms of monetary policy and fiscal policy. So, yeah. How are overall markets looking right now? I believe SPY is the tick up. Ooh, no. SPY is pretty much break even. Pre-market here, heading into trading today. If I could type, that'd be great. Tesla, pretty much the same, I would say. Yeah. We're opening at pretty much same levels here. So, that also means we haven't gotten like. Usually means that this is going to be quite volatile, like actual day itself. When we get closes and opens at roughly the same level, yeah, it just generally tends to be quite fast on a day like today. So, here's something to think about heading into trading today. Yeah, sorry, 1 second. Just doing something real quick. Just leaving my laptop to the side here. Alrighty, sorry. I'm now all ready to go here. Okay, so, sorry. We have Tesla coming in here. As once again, as I was kind of saying before, when we get opens at roughly the same open and close as the day previous, the day itself tends to be very volatile. We are also getting sell signal roughly 4 minutes here before market open, which is pretty big. So once again, just things to think about heading into today's trading. It is going to be very, very volatile, especially with the news coming out today about just about the BPS hikes, right? I believe it's Thursday though, if I'm not wrong. But also Nasdaq just once again heading for 8th negative session, with Fed basically tightening. Again, what I said yesterday during stream was kind of along the lines of we will most likely get a continuation of the trend that we've been having. So this downtrend that we've been having up until the actual Fed meeting itself. And so the reason, again, why this is so big is because of the fact that last week we had huge flows in terms of actually buying up the equity of SPY. So let me see if I can find screenshots. Okay, so yeah, August 30th, 2022, a million share buy on SPY just came in. Flow is often incorrect on SPY options, but when it comes to share buys like this, it is basically often near bottoms or macro timeframes. So I think people are kind of just waiting for this hike to get through, and then once we get through the hike, we'll most likely see some kind of direction in terms of the move. And then I think just on that same day, so August 30th, we also had another 1.9 million shares bought, right? So we're 1.9 million shares bought of SPY is roughly equating to 181 or 101 million um, as of August 30th. And so again, a lot of what these share buys do is not what basically SPY will do over the next day or two, but basically they're thinking that on a very long-term scale, right? So 6 months, year, 5 year, that this will be the relative bottom of what SPY hits. So again, we are looking to see a very aggressive bounce after this Fed meeting here today. So once again, just something to think about as we head into this meeting, and you really need to think about this just because of the fact that this affects your trading, right? So even if you're trading intraday, this once again means that you will most likely be trading in a very volatile, not really one-way market until this Fed meeting kind of hits, right? So there has to be the risk to reward ratio, but that being said, if you have like an option that you just want to like keep running throughout the day, that will most likely be better happening on Friday or the following Monday rather than like today or even tomorrow heading into this meeting, just because again volatility is going to be not on your side, and it's going to be quite choppy is what the expectation is. um, but yeah, I think on the 30th, it was roughly 1.5 or 150 million worth of SPY buying, which again, very, very big. And I believe if you're still trying to play like the LA5 wave count, like to the downside here, um, I believe it would be like mid-September is the timing of it. Mid-September, if SPY gets to like 410, 411, that's maybe when you go and pick up your SQQQ again, your shorts. Again, we can very easily invalidate that with this catalyst, like this Fed meeting here. We do get numbers that we want. So yeah, once again, things to kind of just think about heading into this next week here. But yeah. Yep, there we go. Market open here. Tesla getting a lot of buying it open. Guessing probably the same with SPY. Not a lot of buying, but we do get relative buying here as we open. Again, we are sitting at some very, very big levels here, for sure. Here we go. We are getting a decent amount of selling off here on Tesla to open. We're getting some calls in on Apple to run a basically to the event. Don't mind that play at all, actually. I think Nasdaq will probably follow it to some extent. But yeah. Apple 157.5 is what I'll probably be targeting. Yeah, I believe the premium for these right now are. Yeah, premium is roughly 1.33 right now. We are moving quite quick here on Apple. I'm waiting for some kind of retest back down to a certain level so we can get kind of a buy. We are getting sell signal here coming in on Apple on the 1 minute here. Slight pullback. Might be starting a small position here on Apple just to hold out throughout the day. We're seeing a decent amount of buying come in here. I am getting filled here, roughly 1.18 is what the fill was. Again, if we do go down in the short term, not necessarily all that concerning. Again, trying to play this for the relative upside for Apple's event here happening later today. Also, I do believe implied volatility is definitely starting to spike here a little bit as well. Just as my contract is basically still break even. So yeah. Yeah, very, very small position on Apple here. Nice, solid move for sure. Damn, we're getting a decent amount of chop here at open. Weird volume coming in as well on the 1 minute for sure. We are wicking to the upside here, right? So overall, that is generally good for buyers. You know, you're seeing a lot of buyers come down at these bottom levels to try to buy up into these higher levels. So definitely, in terms of what we're seeing in terms of buying, relatively speaking, it is ideal. And we want to continue to see Apple ripping. Again, increasing volume here on this bar. It is looking relatively good to continue to the upside. Again, we may get slight pullbacks here and there, but overall still looking quite solid. Up roughly 13.5% on the position right now. This was definitely one I was thinking about holding for the rest of the day. I like the new music. Oh wait, we're back to the old. Yeah, sorry Anthony. We just kind of have it rolling on like a cycle play like throughout, so sorry. Hello tree. That is tree, yeah.
Hello.
Hello. I'm thinking about picking up spy calls here, by the way.
Yeah, I like it too. It keeps bouncing at this 380.
Yeah. I am in an Apple position right now. That one's up roughly 11%. About 15% on Apple position right now. Feeling pretty solid about this. I'm breaking through levels here. And I do very much like. Apple's still looking very, very solid. Solid for this continuation.
I bought SPX calls.
I mean, I like it right now. I think market's gonna continue to probably tear up right now.
Yeah, I'm up 25%.
Oh! Alright, this is the BS of SPX, bro. Alright, I will be setting in a stop to lock in 15% on Apple position here.
Now 15%.
Ideally, we hold this level here on Apple. Yeah, I really like. I mean, also like on the wicks on the morning. Did you see? I'm not sure if it was the same as SPY. I was looking at Apple for opening, but Apple like wicked like hard like 4 times basically in a row until like daybreak, and then we made that move higher, which was very solid. We are getting slight pullback here on SPY. Yeah, SPY and Apple basically moving the same right now. Apple's still moving to the upside. Apple's still marching up right now. Slowly but surely.
It was SPY. Ah,
Oh
should
my
I sell?
goodness. How much you up?
I really don't want to sell until 394.
Oh my goodness, Apple's ripping. Uh,
I'm up like 30% now. 35.
sheesh. Yeah, I mean, common rule is telling you to sell at like, I don't know. I mean, I'll just set your stop loss at 25.
Oh, what is this? What is this candle?
Yeah, do getting a slight pullback down to top 100 on Apple here. Again, continuation is most likely headed. Still looking quite solid on Apple. Increasing volume is definitely what we want to be seeing here at this level as we try to make new highs here on the day.
Why is volume is increasing?
SPY also going up. Up roughly 20% on position on Apple here.
I got stopped off for 25%.
Oof.
Damn it.
Honestly, this is fine. I mean, 25% for first trade of the day is, I mean,
Oh wait, no, I got stopped off for 20. It's
oof.
under.
Bro, SVX fills are actually insane.
Yeah.
I don't like this bar of volume on Apple here. Again, we'll continue to have roughly a 5% stop loss on Apple, keeping things close here. Still making new highs here on Apple, so definitely looking solid for sure. Up 21.5% on Apple position here.
Damn it, I should have held.
I will be cutting half here.
Oh, Caleb, it's up 50%. That's so sad.
I know, but that's like also the reason why I don't trade SPX, eh? Like,
I should have just put it at break even.
I mean, yeah,
I
but
thought.
like, bro, like, how do you put that break even? You know,
Yeah.
like mentally, like that's like crushing to put that at even. Okay, yeah, got out of half position here at 22%.
Oh, 60%. God damn it.
And we are starting to pull back here, just a little bit. Again, volume is definitely starting to slowly decrease here on the 1 minute. But yeah, I'm just continuing to moving stop up here. Kind of thinking even, I don't know how lasting this continuation is gonna be here on Apple. 5-minute chart, we've just tore up 3 candles in a row here. Oh yeah, that is the pullback on Apple here on the 1 minute. Maybe getting stopped out. And I get stopped out of the other half for 17.5% gain. Very, very solid trade. I mean, you could even play this bounce here at the 9 for sure. But yeah, very, very solid trade. I will take it. Overall out on that position was 19.5%. Ooh, and Apple's just, yeah, all the way down to the 21 here. Potential another place to buy up if you want short stops and aggressiveness, but very happy I exited. That was such a good trade tree.
Yeah.
Felt very, very good. Apple increasing volume into selling here. As long as we hold over 21. Oh wow, that's at the 21.
Oh.
I finally got the Weeble card tree.
Nice. I hate the Weeble card.
I can only do the Weeble card when I'm not playing SPX though. Also, the reason why I was playing Apple, they're releasing iPhone 14 today.
Oh,
So,
are they?
yeah, that's why I was playing Apple. I have like one runner left that I'm just gonna hold on to, like actually until the end of the day. Um, so we'll see how that plays out. I'm just playing with profits right now, so yeah.
Hey, Wednesday? Oh, already?
Yes, yes. We are getting continued calls here on the semiconductors, Nvidia, Intel. But yeah, I feel like SPX is such a trap though. I don't know. Like, unless you genuinely, like, don't have any feelings,
Yeah.
SPX is like an actual trap.
Oh, I kind of want to get another call right now.
Kinda do too. Kinda wanna call a tree.
Yeah.
Maybe pull back to the 9. What am I thinking?
Oh, I don't like that. I mean, you could. It's just the volume is decreasing. So kind of.
Yeah, that's fair. Also, yeah, like that was like just perfect on Apple. Like we were decreasing, and then we get like one pop-up candle, and then we go into a shoot ton of selling. Bollinger's 5-minute is going sell on SPX. Saying, yeah, saying same thing on SPY. This would be a very aggressive area to buy put.
Yeah.
Ooh, maybe I'm gonna grab a Tesla call. Bro, I'm telling you, Tesla's options train is just so odd to look at. Tesla wanting to retake 280 here.
Ah.
Wait, what?
Oh, nothing.
What? What?
Just thought of something stupid. That's why.
What did you? You just made. Okay, you can't only just say that. You made the most odd sound of all time. It just like
No, I
continued to
like.
just be like,
I spaced out and then I thought of like something stupid I said.
oh.
Yeah, your algo is right though. Look at the puts.
Yeah. But they're starting to come in. I don't know if this is strong enough though.
From that top down right now on SPX, that's like I think 20%.
Yeah. Oh damn. We got Tesla buys on the day chart though. Tesla swings? Tesla swings?
Really? You see Tesla? I haven't seen it.
Kinda looking it made a bottom there actually on the day chart.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Tesla pulled down to 9. I might grab some calls.
Oh, that's 50% for the puts on SPX.
Sheesh. Yeah, if we get Tesla closer than 9, I think I might grab just one call, you know?
Yeah.
Just see what happens type thing. Pretty aggressive wick back up here by Tesla. 5 minutes, still holding pretty strong. Okay, smart thing to do is to wait for the 5 minutes to close, which is what I shall do. We do get a nice closer of 9 here, so this is where you could potentially buy or pick up Tesla calls. 285 is what I'm targeting for 2.45. Yeah, 2.45 is the target. Again, that's if you want to enter here. I'm waiting for 5 minutes to close. Roughly 2.5 more minutes for that. Hopefully just gonna get close kind of around where we're at right now. 280, 78, 73 would be nice. And just a pausing candle for Tesla Rocket. would be lovely. Ooh, it does look like we're breaking under the 9 here though. We're at support here. Breaking through supports. This is very interesting. Pull back to the 21 here. Minute 50 for this close. Oh wow, I really like this tree. I really, really
Calls?
do. Yes, I like calls on Tesla.
I like calls on SPY down there.
Goddamn. Okay, smart thing, close for the 5 minute, right? Right, Tesla, you're not gonna make the move before the close, right? Because that would be stupid. Oh my goodness. I need to wait another 5 minutes for 15-minute. Man. How patient should I play this tree?
Very patient.
Oh wow, this really looks like a pausing candle tree.
Oh,
Bollingers are saying opposites, but again, I think I can't trust these calls that open, like the algo calls that open, just because like I don't know, it doesn't make sense.
yeah.
Like I don't
Dude,
know
I
if
am
there's enough
never,
data.
I am never drinking again.
What do you even drink, by the way?
It hurts. Soju?
Soju. Really hurts that much after drinking soju?
Oh
Oh
no,
my
I drink too much.
goodness.
It was bad. I think yesterday, the amount of alcohol would probably be like 5 soju bottles.
What? Alright, Trey, we need to talk about this.
Oh, I should have gotten my calls.
Yeah, I should have too.
Literally tapped the 200 on the 5 minute and then went up.
Tesla retesting 280 here. We're trying to get to it at least. I'm so sad though. I just missed like a 20% move on Tesla. It's fine. Oh man, we can hear the other dude today. Okay, cool. Is he too loud, by the way, David? I can turn it down. Oh yeah, also Sherry, they can hear you, just by the way.
Uh-oh.
But yeah. Okay, Tesla retesting 280 here. I really, really do want to grab calls. Again, volume is starting to get kind of weird here though, which is, I guess, not entirely surprising. Big engulfing over 280 is what I'll like. Once again, on the 5 minute, this really does look like we're just pausing here at this 279 level to come up and break this 280 level. As it kind of seems is what we're doing. No? Okay, cool, awesome. Okay, 280 break, there it is. Oh, Tesla's running. Now I'm gonna be sad. It's okay. Man, I really still want to grab calls here. We just have 2 more minutes till close on the 5 and 30 and 15 minute. So again, I'm just gonna wait this out. If we wick back, that's good. If not, I'll probably answer calls still. So it's kind of the idea here. Those contracts I was talking about at 2.4, currently at 3 now. So probably 25%. Since this double bottom as it seems here. Again, personally still have not entered yet, waiting for this close on the 5 and 15. Being careful today, just because, wait, Fed is tomorrow, right, Tree?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right?
I thought it was, but I wasn't sure. Is it Friday or today?
Wait, give me a second.
Okay.
I'll take a look.
Okay, yeah. Again, pulling back off of that 280 break, coming down to 278. Aggressive pullback, actually. Damn. Very aggressive pullback. Once again, volume's starting to chop off right here, right now. I'd say right now it's about 50-50. Market is trying to hold these levels right now. Yeah, some people are starting to run up puts here on SPX. Once again, just the index for SPY.
So Powell talks tomorrow, yeah.
I'll
Thursday.
talk tomorrow. Okay, gotcha. Nothing's happening today, right?
No, not really.
Okay.
I mean, there's Fed Vice Chair Brainerd speaking.
Yeah, that's not really anything. Alright, that's fine.
I'm pretty sure this is a typo though. There's no way he's talking at 9:10 p.m. It has to be AM. No?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, so around 9 tomorrow.
I got you. And oh my goodness, SPY just completely coming down here. Tree the outgo's just never wrong.
Yeah, I did not make a higher high, so.
Yeah. Unfortunately missing out on this big move here to the downside. Continuation though, most likely speaking. 1 minute volume definitely seems to be picking up here. Sitting at this is 100, then we get to 200 here. Pulling up pretty sharp from it though. Getting buy signals here on the 1 minute of SPY. 5 minute we have lots to fall. We have all the way up down to 389 here, full $2 move on SPY here. We are wicking up to continue. My signal's coming in here on the 1 minute. 1 minute definitely is not as strong as the 5 minute, but 5 minute I guess once again calling top, so very interesting I guess. But yeah, so as a reminder, so on these breaks, so on big levels of support and resistance, you can look at the 1 minute. Just generally speaking, you do want these engulfing candlesticks, so you want the actual body of the candle. Tree, the algo's just never, I don't know. The body of the candle, you want it to break very solidly through, right? But once again, on the 1 minute, all patterns and things like that are kind of invalidated, just because, you know, yes, you will have more candles and more data points. However, everyone is kind of looking at the same types of patterns, so you can't really confirm terribly much with the 1 minute. However, once again, on the 5 minute and 15 minute, those will be where you want your macro kind of like big long-term kind of moves happening. As we saw kind of just untested there, waiting for that 5 minute, and we did pull back 2 times off this 280 level, So again, just waiting for the 5-minute close, waiting for that confirmation to the upside, very important there. So yeah, making sure you use those longer term candles. And oh my goodness, tree. This is not
Yeah,
even
it's crazy.
funny. This is stupid.
Oh, I feel so slow today. Oh my goodness.
Do you feel so slow or it feels so slow?
No, I feel so slow.
Oh.
Pretty sure I got brain damage.
Okay. Oh my goodness, tree.
Alright, let's see if it rejects here though.
SPY is interacting with this triangle pattern it broke out of this morning. Bulls want a new high of the day, while bears want break below triangles for rising support. Yeah. Potential breakout here for overall indexes. If we can make a new high, I'm definitely getting calls. True.
I might get a call right now.
That would be very aggressive, my friend. But I like it.
Yeah. Well, now I have to wait. Entry has left. I guess I'll just for new highs.
Still targeting 285 calls on Tesla here. Tesla's starting to consolidate here. I think we're waiting for a big, not big move, but definitely move to the upside here if we can get the 280 break. 5-minute is starting to slow down, but on the 5-minute, it's still looking relatively consistent. Not terrible, not yet at least. Might just grab one here on Tesla. 2.61 is the entry on Tesla call. We'll kind of see how this plays out. Damn, on the 5-minute we just touched the 9 like that? That's crazy. It's not even 9, I guess maybe like the 8. But okay. So once again, Tesla consolidating here, a Bollinger Band's starting to come in and through. SPY, I believe, is doing about the same thing. Yeah. It's starting to consolidate. It is making lows here though. Just not necessarily, or like a trend line kind of forming downwards. Not necessarily what you want to see as bulls here. Yeah, volume is really starting to crush here. QQQ. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oops.
QQQ has like a perfect trend line. Why doesn't?
As per usual. Okay, I can't draw trend lines right now. But yes. QQQ definitely starting to come down here. Are we getting out of Tesla with the one contract I did have? Small loss. Kinda just played a little bit too preemptively. Minus 3% on that. Okay. Well, we caught 20% on Apple this morning. Tesla, we kind of just faded around for a little bit. SPY QQ definitely moving to the downside here. Tesla's still consolidating here. Yeah, this is starting to get real dangerous for Tesla. Um, Probably gonna be a quite aggressive move to either side, is my guess here. Um, yeah, we'll kind of see how this plays out. But looking very, very interesting. Okay. Not much really happening. Ready for SPY to drop. I need to sell these contracts. Yeah, I'd probably agree with you here. SPY dropping here is definitely not out of the question. I this looks very confident for this move down here. We did also just get a bearish engulfing on the 1 minute here of SPY. Again, not meaning terribly much, but um, yeah, you want this 5 minute close under 391.50. If you get that close, I think continuation to the downside is still very, very real. And as long as we don't like revert back and we don't make like a um, higher high here, or recent high, I think you'll probably be doing okay. Yeah, SPY looking very solid for this continuation here for sure. Currently not in a position, but if you're in one, just yeah, I wouldn't have super aggressive stops. Again, while you should be locking in profits, I mean, we are very harshly trending down here, so this is probably just gonna retest this 392 level. As long as you don't get like a big breakthrough, 392, continuation is still very real. Volume definitely starting to die off here on SPY, right? You saw a lot of increasing volume heading up to this sell-off, get quick reversal pop, increasing volume again. So yeah, we may just chop for a little bit here, is what my kind of thoughts are. Again, very, very aggressive moves to kind of start out the morning here. Yeah, nice pullback on spot here. Looking quite solid. 5 minute charts, what are we looking at? 5 minute chart looks nasty, I'll be honest. These wicks back, or these wick backs, not great. Especially if you want to go on the sell side. 15 minute, again, somehow catching a sell signal at the top, but okay. Yeah, you get 15 minute closes 3.5 minutes, you get this close, again, under 391.50. Continuation is very, very real here. Yeah, there is a 391.50 break. Again, you want this 1 minute to close how it is right now on SPY, and continuation looks very, very solid for it. 12 seconds left on this 1 minute. It is pulling back. You really want to hold under 391.53 here. You do get the close under. Buy signal on the 1 minute here though. I think this is pretty invalidated though. Lots of volume coming on that last candle as well of SPY. 5 minute, yeah, looking very, very solid. 240. Again, continuation looking very solid. If you're looking for a price target in terms of where to sell, I mean, for SPY specifically, I got it all the way down to just what we opened that morning. 390.44 should be. Oh yeah, sorry. No, it's my bad. Sorry, 1 second. So yeah, sorry, I'm back now. Also, wow. uh, we have had a total of 15 different viewers already. It's pretty cool. But yeah, sorry. Spy, looking for continuation here. Minute and 40 on Spy here. I believe Tesla's starting to break down here. Or not. Spy, or Tesla's just holding this level. This is very impressive. Seemingly range trading here on Tesla. Almost flagging here, actually. Tree, this is crazy, right? Tesla's still up 1.6% here. It's like consolidating at this peak. A lots of decreasing volume though. Not necessarily what you want to see for this move to the upside.
What's up? What did you say?
Tesla?
Sorry.
Tesla's just holding this level. No, you're good. Don't worry about it. Tesla's very surprising here. We are getting buy signals, again, on the 1 minute here of Spy, but Tesla's just holding. Like, the entire market just dipped. And Tesla's just, like, holding this flag. That's very impressive. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, hold up. I mean, Spy just looks great, I won't lie. You do have the 21 coming up here, though. That's, again, a very big level for Spy. You haven't seemingly been able to break 21 in a decent amount of time here, so... Yeah, we are getting Oxy puts as well as Nvidia puts coming in. Oh yeah, I really like Nvidia. Tree, do you see Nvidia right now? Oh my goodness.
Wait, take a look.
Oh my
Nvidia.
goodness.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh. I very much like this. I mean, do I just play this break here? I mean, we just broke this very relative, like, large level here on Nvidia.
Maybe, yeah. I mean, it looks good. I just don't have any levels in video.
Yeah, that's fair. Okay, entering on Nvidia position here. 2.5 is my entry. Yeah, we definitely want to see lots of selling here. I mean, across the market, yeah, we are looking extremely weak. And of course we pull up. It's okay, everything is okay.
Retesting, right?
Yeah, retesting 9 here on Nvidia. Yeah, and that was preemptive entry by me. And we break through the 9, not great. As long as we close under 9, yeah, feeling pretty good. And yeah, David, totally right. Huge breakdown here. Just across the market. Good call out with the puts. Looking very solid. Oh, Nvidia not closing under the 9 here. Oh, why didn't I just go QQQ puts? That's really sad.
The thing is, Spy kind of bounced off the bottom trend line. Like it was a wick, but
Yeah.
it's about to hit the top now. So.
Alrighty, well, once again, very preemptive entry by me. Roughly down, 7.5% on position. Oh my goodness. Catching the absolute bottom there for the upside move. Great job.
It happens.
Yeah. It does happen.
So Spy just touched the top trend line. It should go down.
I'll be setting a 10% stop loss from where we are right now on Nvidia. Yeah, and I think continuation to downside is strong, but I don't also want to be caught in the middle of just complete reversal in the middle of the day. We are very early in trading here. And Nvidia's just having straight green candles, which is just lovely.
Yeah, QQQ bounced off the bottom trend line too. It hasn't touched the top yet, like SPY. But
Nvidia is touching 21 here, though, is my sole and only hope. uh, oh, oh my goodness. Yeah, we wicking back all the way back there. Okay. Oh lord. Yeah, I probably will be getting stopped out relatively soon. I got it back at the 50. That's where I got my stop loss currently. Unfortunate from us, but
oh, SPY just broke the top trend line. Oh, now it's back in.
Nvidia just sitting at the
QQQ
21.
though. QQQ just hit the top, or barely.
Okay, Nvidia, that's a nice candle. Volume is just dead, however.
Yeah, SPY rejected. If it closes like this.
Wow, that is brutal. 5-minute closing here. Also, Tree, why did I fade the algo again? I should, like, I don't know why I don't look at the algo before I, like, 5-minute, it actually calls bottom, like, again.
Yeah. Does it know trend lines? Is that why?
No, it literally doesn't. I'm telling you, this is like a 200 like line code algo that like shouldn't know anything, and yet just knows so much more than I do. So.
Alright, SPY is breaking. Oh, was trying.
Yeah.
If
This
it
is more of a
breaks, I'm gonna
feeling.
get calls.
Yeah, this is more of a feeling, but I think the reversal with overall red day for SPY took profit and had my contracts. Yeah, no, that's 100% what you should be doing. Once again, heading into this Fed meeting here, just securing profits, it's very, very important in my opinion. You know, you don't want to be stuck out there, just like sitting out there with just, you know, profits being completely taken from you. So, no, I completely understand that, and I think that's a very solid
Picked
move.
up a call on SPX.
Yeah, I like calls. It looks solid, I'll be honest. Again, you want volume to pick up though, but Nvidia just completely tearing me out of my position, unfortunately. And oh my goodness! Whoa. Tree, did you see this
Yeah,
wick?
I did.
I don't know if it happened across, but oh my goodness.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that.
Okay, that is very, very nasty. Oh my goodness. This looks like the 5-minute chart. What is this wick? That just completely killed buyers.
Yeah. I mean, I'm break even on mine.
Well, that's not bad at
I
all.
got a,
But
I got a
holy...
pretty solid entry. Or a first SPY. I am now up $10.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, well, still haven't exited Nvidia position yet. I very fortunately did not get wicked out by that, but we'll be setting my stop above this 21 here. But wow, that was very, very nasty. Jesus, that was like brutal. Like what?
Yeah.
We completely spun. Like Nvidia spun like a complete 50 cents in like actually 2 seconds. Okay. Sure.
Such a weird move.
Yeah, very, very weird move, actually. Oh my goodness. Nvidia puts their printing now? Uh, okay, I'm now up 5% on position after being down 20%. uh, okay. Yeah, you definitely need to want to be paying attention to longer term scales here. Jeez. Wow, that is a roller coaster of emotions. What in the world?
It is so weird.
Okay, I exited. I got out of Nvidia for 5% gain somehow.
Nice.
Wha-
Ah, I still have my call. It's being so slow. It is now back at break even.
I mean, even Tesla there. I mean, you're breaking this general level on this big body of the candle, and then you get pausing captor or captor candle. 5 minute looking deadly on Tesla. I love puts here actually. This looks like a great setup for puts. But yeah, oh my goodness, that was. I thought I'd be taking a 10% loss on the Nvidia position. Somehow turned it into 5% profit. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it every day of the week. Tesla just completely breaking down here. Um, yeah, I'm thinking I want to grab a put on Tesla. 273,
Oh my god, I
33.
almost got stopped out.
Oh
I
my.
almost got stopped out. Oh, now it's going back up.
Oh my goodness.
Back up to 10%.
Yeah, this is some extremely odd movement. Yeah, wow. Yeah, I guess I'm happy where I exited my position, but also I couldn't tell you what's happening right now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, wow. This looks
Oh my god, dude,
brutal.
this call is taking forever.
Yeah, I mean, sure, you need a break over this 392 on SPY.
Yeah. Should
Yeah.
I just sell? I'm up
Right.
like 5%.
Decreasing volume. I mean, these wicks are just brutal. Uh, My opinion, stop should be under 390-150, right? So if you break under that, you'll take the loss, and then for a good risk reward ratio, you need to be taking profits over 392. But I mean, getting out here isn't like terrible, but I don't know. It's just everything's all over the place right now. We are chopping a lot. Yeah, I will be entering Tesla put though. But again, Tesla's not moving how SPY is. Yeah.
Oh, I might just take this 20%.
Yeah, take it.
Oh, never mind, it's at 30% now.
I would take it before this candle closes, sure.
Yeah.
We want to sell off these big green candles on SPX. Again, if you get continuation, fine, whatever, right? But generally speaking, you do want to take profits. Oh, this is a great candle to take it on, actually. These big green candles are actual. Oh my goodness.
Oh, dude, I should sell, huh?
Yeah,
2%.
yeah. I mean, it's keep going up, but I'm telling you to sell right now. Because
Okay,
yeah.
I sold. I sold.
What'd you get out
Okay,
for?
good. Let me see. Like 40%.
Sheesh. Yeah, that's the power of actual bodies of candles on that. We are moving slightly higher, but honestly, I think that's still a good exit though, Trey, because I mean, I had it over 392. We did get that big body break over 392, but I mean, 40% is nothing to mess with either. Jesus. This is on low volume too.
Yeah, I saw it was 40% because I got the contract. Ah, I don't know. This is so. I kind of wanted to hold all the way up to 392.50, but nah, it's fine. Don't be
Yeah.
greedy, right? Don't be greedy.
I mean, yeah. I mean, the fact that I go minus 15 on position to plus 5, like how that quickly, and just to see how much we're wicking today, I was just scared for you if we do get some kind of reversal.
Yeah, no, that was fine. I mean, that took forever too. So I got the contract at 150 and I sold at 210.
Nice. I mean, yeah. Very, very solid. But yeah, oh my goodness. These wickbacks are actually insane though. I mean, you're actually losing if you're holding SPX like 5 to 10 percentage points just from like the top of the candle to like the move back down into the middle.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that was getting scary though, cause like it broke the trend line, but it kept going down,
Oh my
and it
goodness. It kept
wicked
going up.
down, but then it still closed above the trend line.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, god damn it! What is my contract?
Probably 2.65 is what I'm wondering.
2.6.
Yeah, that sounds alright.
2.5. Ah, it's fine, you know.
Yeah, I just like, bro, that's what I'm talking about with like SPX. Like, if that's SPY, like, yeah, I completely understand the hold, you know? But like,
Yeah.
40% on that move is just like, how do you not take that, you know?
Yeah. No, I'm pretty happy where I got
Yeah,
out.
I mean, I really
It
hope we
is
don't
at
just,
highs.
oh my
Oh, it's
goodness, you're
breaking over
breaking
highs.
highs. I'm sorry, Tree.
Yeah.
Oh my
Uh,
goodness.
okay, now I'm sad. Now I'm fucking sad.
Well, I mean, you could still re-enter if you wanted.
And
You
play it
could
up
re-enter,
to
yeah, re-enter cheaper
394.
contract. Yeah, play it up to 394. Yeah, I like that.
Whoa.
Increasing volume here too. See, this is the setup I would have rather taken than the one you were sitting in.
Yeah.
Okay, already up. Bro,
Oh
what
my
is
god,
this
my
BS?
contract's up 100% now. It's at $3.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Just relax, just relax.
Dude, I've been hitting these SPX though. It's pretty
You
crazy.
have been, yeah. Been getting good entries. We are moving up quick. Spy position, I can't speak. Spy position here up already 10%.
Nice. You can play it to 394, I think. But
Yeah, my target's 394, under 392.75 is where my stop is. Trying to have like a 3 to 1 RR. That's kind of the idea.
might go down and retest the highs though. The
Yeah,
previous highs
that is true.
before it runs up. Unless it's just like, nah, moon time.
They're decreasing volume on the last bar. However, just overall wise, we're still increasing to the upside here. I like this continuation move still. As long as we break over the wick of this previous candle.
I'm gonna write down this. I've been writing down my trades.
Yeah, oh yeah, writing down trades also very, very good. I like that.
Hold it at 210. 210.
Mm,
2 for 2 today. Not
very,
bad,
very
not
solid.
bad.
Oof, lots of volume coming in on SPY right here.
Yeah. Dude, that trend line break was perfect. You even got the retest. Like I mean, it looked kind of crazy because it kept pulling past, but then it would close above.
Yeah. Mm. Back to break even on spot position here. I think I'm gonna add another if we do get retest. But yeah, oh my goodness. Also, wow, it's pretty cool. 15 people, or 15 unique people, I guess, joined the stream at some point today. It's kind of cool. We saw like 3 last week, so. But yeah, playing this retest.
Well, we get rejected at 394 again, though. It's
Oh
just in
wow.
this range.
Okay, that's a 9. Wait, what's up?
Oh, I was just saying we might get rejected at 394
Yeah.
again. But this looks good.
I'm picking up another contract here. Again, aggressive second entry, but still like continuation here. Nice.
Ooh, the perfect bounce.
Potentially.
Is it though?
I don't know. Let me see volume coming in. Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
These wicks are just so dangerous.
Maybe it starts a flag.
Maybe. Okay, somehow I picked up another where that was, but then now my position is up 10%. How does... What? How's the position up 10% when I double down lower? What?
Did you get a SPX or?
Oh yeah, I did go aggressive with SPX, but
Yeah.
SPX is kind of stupid.
SPX is a mystery.
Yeah, I'm selling one for 20%. Like, what?
Yeah.
The fact that that candle is like actually 20%, or I guess not that candle, I bought it like before the end of the previous candle, but you know, like the fact that that equates to 20% somehow is like, I don't know, kind of insane.
Yeah.
But yeah.
This looks like, yeah, it'll probably continue up to 394.
Yeah, that is what the hope is right now.
As long as it doesn't break the 9.
Yeah, I want the 9 to keep coming up to this 392.75 level area though. I had this as like previous, like before, and then this is like where the body of the candle stayed, so. Oh, okay. That's not great to see at the beginning of the candle. That's not great. Okay, I'll play it down to the 21. Also, that was weird, by the way, Trey. I grabbed one SPY and then I grabbed SPX on the test. So.
Then you probably made your money back from SPY then.
Well, no, I made my money back from SPX. I sold the SPX. That was the gain, but yeah.
Yeah.
My SPY, like, call right now is only down, like, 2%.
It's one day out today, right?
Yeah,
oh, no,
it's
it's
one.
still 0 DT.
Wait, 0 DT?
What? That's crazy.
Oh, yeah, because today's Wednesday. That's weird though. They have like a Tuesday and Wednesday, 0 DT.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like
Nice.
if you're like chasing, just buy like SPY, not SPX,
Yeah, that's fair.
because you need like the perfect entry on SPX.
Yeah. But also buying SPX on those red candles though,
Yeah.
you know, like when you're at levels that you think you're gonna close above, like oh, I guess we're flagging
Or
here.
it's just consolidating for the next move.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh lord, what is that move? Stop it. Yeah, I mean, if I can just get out of this position for break even, I'll be happy actually. I don't think I even want to wait for this move up. I mean, these wicks are killer today. We've had them since open.
It is pretty crazy.
Alright, that's it. I got out.
It's alright.
Yeah, minus 10% on the SPY call, but somehow made 20% on the SPX, so overall position wise, I guess up somehow. But
Ah, do you think Ivy's gonna pump tomorrow before Powell?
Ivy will definitely pump tomorrow before Powell. Um,
I'm probably just gonna wait until he talks then.
I think what you could potentially do. What's Ivy at right now? Is it super high right now?
38.
38.
Ooh, I guess it's already like
It's already
pretty
at
high.
like a little bit higher. But
Yeah.
I think what you could do is run like a straddle into tomorrow.
Mm,
Like,
true.
oh, imagine Apple straddle with catalyst of iPhone 14 happening.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that a lot actually.
I might do that like near the end of the day. I'll let you
Yeah.
know.
Hold up, let's see what Apple's IV is at. Okay, Apple IV is already at. It's only 43%, which is high for Apple, but like that's not terrible. Ooh, but what's theta at though? It is a 0.52, so it's like 25% a contract. Yeah, that's not terrible actually. Wait, does Apple wait, is Apple iPhone 14 after hours today or is it during?
Probably after.
Wait, what? Oh, no, it is during. It's 10 a.m. Pacific.
Oh, really? So in
Yeah.
like 2 hours?
Maybe I run it now, actually. Okay.
Are you gonna sell it before though it gets released?
I don't know if I do. I think tomorrow's gonna pump either way with Powell. Maybe I just hold overnight. Like, don't
Oh,
get me wrong,
true.
data will, like, hurt. But I think the IV pump from it will outweigh, potentially.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Or
Hmm.
maybe go like farther out. I don't know.
Oh, with less data? Yeah. That's actually not that terrible of an idea. Like going like September 16th, maybe. Because data for that is only 0.19. And then, what is IV? IV is 35% for that? That's not bad at
Yeah.
all, actually. That's not bad at all. What does change for today?
Oh, Spy held the 21.
Spy the 21?
Yeah. Needs to break above. Oh yeah. Yeah. I
There's
guess
a pullback.
393.
What is
It
that?
closes above 393.
Yeah. 2 more minutes here for Spy candle close. But yeah, still looking very, very solid.
Oh, what is that? Never mind.
These wicks are like actually insane. This is terrible. Oh. Oh my goodness. But yeah. Yeah, I think here, I mean, I think it's a little bit too early for me to call this, but I think we just trapped the hell out of 392.75.
Yeah.
Minute 19? I don't know. I think that was a hard trap to the upside. And oh my goodness, look at yesterday's close on the 15. That's nasty. I want to say that. Okay, this is very aggressive outlook, but I want to say that this is top. I really do, Trey.
Starting to look like it.
Yeah, David, I think I definitely agree with what you said before. More feeling reversal with an overall red day. Yeah, I think that's pretty solid insight.
Wait, Caleb, I'm gonna use the bathroom really fast.
Okay, yeah, I got
I'll be right back.
you. But yeah, David, I think that's pretty solid. Getting that reversal there, you know, outside that break on this trend line, solid move up, but I think there's a very real possibility we can end red today. We are getting like extremely choppy volume. Okay, that last candle was a lot of volume actually in the 1 minute, but just comparatively, right? So, okay, if I, then why can't? Okay, the volume bars just don't like me. So we get like as we usually do, right? Lots of volume coming in at the morning. Even when we're making this move up, right? Not lots of volume, so rejection was kind of high here as long as we had some kind of level. Again, 392.75 was that level for us. Get rejected, lots of selling volume again. Make that breakout, and once again here, right, we're trying to retake this 392.75 level here, up to 394 potentially, or 393 might I say. But once again, volume is just really, really dead here on the 1 minute of SPY. Even looking at the 5 minute, right, you're gonna have that decreasing off the first few candles, but usually you want to consolidate like for these moves to the upside, or to the downside, right? So even if you look at like yesterday, for example, right, you get those increasing parts, but huge sell-off, right? And even on the reversal, at least you get some kind of increasing bars on the 5 minutes, make that move back up. Once again, but however, this selling though, right, you're still increasing on these selling bars on the low side, right? Here, right, we're just overall decreasing in terms of volume, so I mean, once again, this just believes, or yeah, proves me to believe that like we're gonna consolidate for a little bit here, until we make this move, just because of how choppy volume is right now. Again, just my opinion, but I think if you want a move right now, I think odds are better in your favor to go puts. You maybe catch this very fast wick up to 392.75, or even just, I mean, where we're at right now off this green candle. I think this can be a very, very quick scalp. You know, you grab puts roughly here at like 392.60, I want to say, on SPY, and you just run this all the way down to like 392 flat. Again, if you're not even running SPX, just running regular SPY puts, I'll say this is pretty easy, like 20% move, 15% move. Yeah, again, just based on how we've been trading today and the wicks we've been seeing, it's definitely not going to be a clean move by any means. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of just the thoughts as of right now. I'm trying to get the pathing tool up. But yeah, so again, ideal, we retest all the way up to 75. Probability of that, not terribly high, but you kind of get this pathing down into 392 is kind of what the idea is. But once again, we may not even get this move up. This may have just been peak here, right? And then once again, you get slight move down into this move up, and you just chop like a lot, right? Whether it's on the actual wick of the candle or whether it's on the actual movement. This is generally what you typically are going to be seeing in terms of what the movement is, not usually just a straight shot, especially after this super aggressive move to the upside. Um, Once again, I can very easily stand corrected just because of what happened yesterday. Yesterday was kind of crazy actually playing in the morning. Complete like V-shaped move happening within, what is this, first 2 hours open. I mean, you're coming here making bottoms, kind of same idea, right? 390 level, we thought this was going to be a really big level. We did break this, we only came down to 388.40, 388.50-ish, wicking a lot type thing, and then made completely V-shaped move right back to the upside for basically a double top, or a potential triple top into this bottom. But yeah, that I think yesterday kind of validated what I just said, but generally speaking, you do get chop to the downside here, and it's not just a pure sell-off, but yeah, it's kind of overall idea here. Yeah, volume still just being extremely low. If we want to get like straight selling, again, we need to see increasing volume here. I mean, these bars were what, 31k on SPY versus what these last ones are like 35k. Volume would need to like at least 3 to 4x for this continuation to the downside here. And a total of 20 unique viewers coming in today. So yeah, thank you guys for coming out. Again, this is not any like actual pure technical pattern trading. This is just what the general idea is. Getting these quick pop-ups in terms of like these wicks. Generally speaking, just what we've been seeing. Big body of the candle will usually not stick, especially at the beginning of the candle, like timing, right? 5 minute, once again, just really, really nasty. I guess maybe we do get this retest up to 392.75. Oh, there is that retest. Okay. Question now becomes, do we hold like this over? If we get a hold like this, then this idea of this pattern kind of gets invalidated. If we don't, though, I still like lots of selling coming out right above that level. Yeah, look at that. That's brutal. Do not get the close over 392.75. Once again, just another wick to prove that we are playing very dangerous today. Slight pop-up. Once again, volume is not great here. I mean, it usually isn't great in terms of like what time it is, but yeah. Do get this move up. Trey, are you back by any chance? Okay. Oh, we are getting this break. 392.85. Do we get the close? Looks like we are. 1 second to close here. Oh wow. Close over. This is big level for SPY. Selling coming out right away, but once again, this is pretty normal. You're going to be retesting these levels that you do break. Happens a lot. I mean, once again, it even happened here on this last break that we just had. Big level break, you get this move up into the retest, and typically this is the try to move higher. And wow, SPY's tearing here above this 392.75 level. Do get the quick retest down to level into this pop-up, but yeah, I was trying to say. Retest usually tends to happen on these breaks. We've seen it happen time and time again. But yeah, you can really just play with this idea on anything, right? So when you do make this level and you do get rejected from it, typically you're going to make that retest. Sometimes it's double top, sometimes you break through. Paying attention to volume is really key, as I was talking about before. Right, heading up to this like level here as we did before. Extremely low amounts of volume. Heading up this time, lots of increasing volume, lots of volume, pushing to the upside on that break. So, but yeah, this is just really nasty. If I were you guys, really be paying attention to the 5 and 15 minute in terms of levels. 1 minute is just getting eaten up, just extremely quick. We are getting another sell signal here on the 15-minute chart to try to move over. Um, but yeah, very, very nasty stuff coming out here by SPY. Oh, Tree, are you here? Oh, okay, I guess he's not. But yeah, today I do need to cut out a bit early just because of classes. But yeah, tomorrow once again we'll be on Monday through Friday. I guess this week Tuesday through Friday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern to roughly 11. I'll try pushing 11:30 tomorrow just because of Powell and just seeing the kind of movement we're gonna be getting. Tomorrow I'm probably not going to be trading terribly much just because once again implied volatility as well as overall movement is going to be extremely high. So yeah, tomorrow should be very choppy, but Friday hopefully we get some kind of reversal movement or solid movement and hopefully not something like today. But yeah, other than that guys, hope you guys enjoyed the stream, hopefully learned something. But yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day and peace.